Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited because I received this parcel from China after placing an order at Taobao about 1 week plus ago. I have paid an insane amount of money for this device. This is the unboxing of Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus. Huawei had announced their Mate 40 series back on 22nd October. Till now, there is still no official release date of all these phones. The price for all these phones is really expensive compared to iPhone and Samsung. The price for Mate 40 Pro is at 1199 euro and the Plus version is at 1399 euro, which is more expensive than iPhone 12 Pro Max. There's a lot of review on the Mate 40 Pro version. I'm lucky enough managed to get this Plus version after paying an insane price for it. This phone is currently selling at certain online store at Taobao, the China version of Alibaba. As you can see, the only spec for the Plus version currently is 12GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. Let's go for the unwrapping. This is the standard Huawei phone packaging. Inside about the phone itself, we'll just put it aside first. There's some sticker, some paper cover, and I believe this is where the menu is. So inside this small box, I think they included a soft casing, which is really nice from Huawei. Normally when you buy a new phone, in order to protect it, you should have one disc come with the phone, so you don't need to buy the phone and go and get an casing elsewhere. Some menu inside the box, some document again. This is a standard USB-C charger, nothing special. A normal type of Huawei earpiece. And of course, it comes with a not so environment friendly charger, which rated at 66 watt with a standard USB connector. This is a special moment. Let's take a look at the phone. In hand, the phone feels a little bit heavier compared to my previous Mate 20 Pro. On the side, there is volume rocker, which is very nice Huawei to put it back. Behind is the 5 camera setup, which including a 3D depth sensor. On the bottom, standard USB-C connector and a stereo speaker. So this is all the items inside the box. After went through some firmware update and setup, this is the home screen of EMUI 11 on top of Android 10. As you can see, the fingerprint unlock is super fast. The device name of Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus is named as NOP AN00. I had run a benchmark test using Geekbench 5 and the result is amazing. The score for single core is at 916 and multi-core is at 3355, even higher than Snapdragon 865. I ran the test again in performance mode and the score is as high as 1013. I also did a test for Antutu under performance mode and the score is 707132, the highest score of all Android phone year 2020. At the back of Mate 40 Pro Plus, you can see the 5 camera setup including a 3D depth sensing camera. Compared to Huawei Mate 40 Pro, the Plus version is come with additional lens that is 8 megapixel 10 times optical zoom f4.4 OIS lens. Come to ultra wide angle lens. The Plus version this year come with a 14mm compared to Pro version 18mm. The difference is the Plus version will have a wider field of view compared to the Mate 40 Pro. This is the main reason I never purchased Mate 30 Pro last year, because the ultra wide angle lens is not wide enough. How will this camera compare to others phone yet to be tested? So this is a preview of Mate 40 Pro Plus. Huawei is yet to officially announce the release of this handphone, and it is extremely difficult to get on the market at this moment. That's all for now, the unboxing and preview video of Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus. Please like, subscribe and share. More video comparison coming out. Remember, mask on, stay safe. Thank you for watching.